Hey, what's up? It's KD, and welcome to my show, What's Growing On? Okay, so not too long ago, I put a piece of ginger in some dirt. That's all I did was put a piece of ginger in some dirt, and then this happened. And I put it in one of my favorite mixing bowls because I didn't know if something was gonna work, if it was gonna work. So now I need my mixing bowl back. So we are going to put Mr. Ginger here in this pot. This will not be its forever home, but this should be fun. So here is the soil I got. It's all in French, but it has vegetables, fruit, and flowers on it, so I'm assuming it's good for planting food. Algeo Flash, Naturilla Soul, Biologique. Sounds good to me. So basically, I just put some dirt in this pot till about right there because there's plenty of dirt. There's quite a bit of dirt already in here. So I am going to use all of this, fill it up, and see if I need to put some more. But I think this should be good. This is about to my knuckle. Yep. So to take this out, I'm just gonna like loosen up the dirt from around, the plants. I don't know what this is. I think this is like a second one growing, so I'm kind of nervous on how to handle this. Because I remember I just put a big piece of ginger in here. Maybe we should just dig down and find, let's see if we can find the piece of ginger. Hold on. Whoa! I found the original piece of ginger. And it's got roots growing off of it. That's so crazy. I literally just threw like a piece of ginger in some dirt. That's all I did. Look, that's the piece of ginger. And now it has roots growing out of it. Like I said, there's a lot of dirt in this bowl. And then this one, the other piece that we saw, look at this. I think it's another piece of ginger, but it's got like roots on it. So that means it's gonna grow into something. So we'll be careful when we put this back in there. So we'll just set that down there. Very gentle, very gentle. And then let's work on planting this beautiful piece of ginger that's gonna give me so much ginger. All right, so this one is all planted in its new home. It's not its forever home, but its new home. My hands are so dirty. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this little baby here and we are going to just, I wanna be very careful and gentle with the roots. So we're just gonna like dig a hole with our finger, and we're gonna make it pretty deep because look how long, and look how small it is, and look how long the roots already are. So, and then you know, like we can always add more dirt. So we're just gonna like push this down in here very softly. We're gonna just put that in there till it's kind of like feels a little firm. And then we have a lot more dirt left in the bowl after, so I'm just gonna put some dirt around it and like pinch it to make sure it's tight. And then we don't want to lose that other little branch, that little potential money maker. So there we go. Hold on, let me take care of this for a minute. Hold on. All right, great. So we have that all planted. And the good thing is underneath this is the good soil. And then this is the old soil on top. So a little bit of both, you know? This is just something that was in the dirt. All right, so we got this all set. We're gonna just put a little water on the top just to give it a little something to start off with. Not too much. I want the soil to still be kind of like loose so it can move around and get used to its new home. I cut a hole in the top of this. And we're gonna put it back outside to get some sun. For some reason, I decided to do this on my big, gigantic cutting board. But one thing you should always maybe have handy is one of these. This will clean up your disaster so fast. Just don't get it wet. Like anything that, if the dirt is wet, then it'll be harder to clean up. But very simple. Oh my God, are you really doing that on your cutting board? Don't worry, this never touches the floor. This never touches anything that would cause me to freak out.
Don't forget to subscribe.